spent the last 2 weeks just grinning. I spent the last 2 weeks just grinning. Trying to work you out is killing. Ever since my heart's been missing.
Hello everyone, this is Alex from the Dubinsky Bros, and welcome to Airplane Story. So basically, I'm on a plane cruise, whatever, and a big scary monster tries to end me, and yeah, that's the whole story. Okay, I'm waiting. Come on, my plane is going to go off any second. Why did I say it like that? It sounded like a bomb was gonna go off. Okay, 2, 1, and we should be going! When the screen's black, and yep, we're on the airplane. Okay. Why am I labeled passenger? I'm the captain of the crew. Well, the Dubinsky crew. Okay. Is there something gonna happen? Anything? I am waiting. Wait, what is this? 1:13. Oh, hello everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard our flight 3049. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above the sea level. The weather looks good, which means we should arrive in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the plane. Okay, so this is my seat, I-11. Okay. Is there anything out here? Is there secrets? This is the most blocky plane I've ever seen. Okay. Any secrets? The bathroom? Oh, is this first class? I think it's first class. I don't really know because I don't know how to play this game. Okay. Please find your seat as we are about to experience a... What? Actually, well, I can't see that because the recording symbol is blocking that, and the stop symbol on the voice recorder. Darn you, iMovie. Okay. Thank you for your cooperation. Yep. Okay. I am a cooperative guy. Get ready as our crew prepares snacks for everybody. Is it pizza? Chips? Cheetos? Fritos? Doritos? Well, hello everyone. We are the crew members. Wait. Where's the imposter? Is there an imposter among us? Oh, there's no imposter. Okay. Oh, they brought sandwiches. Okay, it just disappeared from my inventory. Okay, enjoy. I already ate it. ... I'm not feeling very well. What is it, little bunny Easter 7? Wait, this sandwich has mayo. I'm allergic to mayo. Well, why didn't you say so sooner? Okay, is there anything in here? Anything in... Oh, okay, which one is that? Which one? Okay, that's mine. Okay. No. Look in the baggage storage. It's above you. Anything? I found it. Okay, you found it. So, yeah, I'm not a cool guy anymore. So sad. Okay, there's one guy that's named Noob. Maybe he's new to the game or something, and so he decided to call himself Noob. Noobs are yellow and blocky and have blue torsos, just like the original Noob skin. Okay, it's getting black. Oh, calming music. Anything bad gonna happen? Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. Okay, I'm just going to take a nap. Good night, gamers. No! Come on, can I just get some sleep? It appears that we have lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Okay. Anything wrong? Guys, look! What is on the right wing? What? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh no, I do. You will not survive. Oh. Are those snakes? Oh no. I have snakeophobia. I don't know what that word is, but a fear of snakes. Okay, go. Where am I? Where do I hide? Okay, wait, anything in here? Okay, no. I do not want to die to a snake. I have snakeophobia. Don't come after me, snakes. Don't come after snakes. Wait, what is this? Huh? Wait, what is this? I don't know. What is this? Huh? Oh, secret ending? My name is Ronald. So you're just the Ronald McDonald guy? You got turned evil? You know, I was once a human too. Never heard of you. The day I died, you weren't there. Look, buddy, I don't know what you're talking about. I died on a plane like this one. Okay. I suffered a heart attack. No one even tried to save me. Look, buddy, you got the wrong guy. Everyone moved on like it was nothing. Okay. I guess it's fair now. A soul for a soul. Well, Alexzilla Vortex. Oh no. This is just the beginning. Oh, I'm on fire. Okay, what's gonna happen? I got the secret ending badge. Wait, victory? That is not a victory. That is a fail. I'm back in the lobby. Like nothing even happened. But guys, do leave a like and subscribe. Go check out the rest of our videos. And I will see you all in the next video.